In this lesson you will learn the understanding of a fraction as parts of an object, a group of objects or a measure. That this understanding comes from the meaning of the word fraction in everyday language. The specific names of fractional parts and how they are derived. The verb fracture means to break into two or more parts. From fracture we get the noun fraction for each of the resulting parts. So from the two words fracture and fraction, we have the understanding that a fraction is a part of something, a part of an object, a slice of pizza, a part of a group of objects, the white pieces of a chess set, a part of a measure, the amount of milk poured from the bottle. Naming each of two equal parts. Here is a pizza cut into two equal parts. Here is a group of objects separated into two equal parts. Here is a measure of milk poured out equally into two equal parts. The action of making an object, a group of objects, or a measure into two equal parts is the verb halve. From halve we get the noun half for each of the resulting two equal parts. And we say that one of the two equal parts is 1/2. The name 1/2 is derived from the action of making two equal parts. So we see that 1/2 is derived from language. Naming each of three equal parts. Here is a group of objects separated into three equal parts. There is no verb to make into three equal parts. Here is how their name is derived. The number of objects in the group is 3 times the number in each part. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 is the third member of the 2 times table, so we say that 6 is the third multiple of 2. But this describes the number in the group in terms of the number in each part. We need to describe the number in each part, 2, in terms of the number in the group, 6. So we say 2 is a part of 6. To fully describe the part, we borrow the word third, describing the multiple above. To get 2 is a third part of 6. In the case of two equal parts, we did not say half part, so we dropped the word part to get 2 is a third of 6. And we say that one of the three equal parts is 1/3. 1/3 is derived from the multiple of the number in each part that gives the number in the group. Naming each of 4 equal parts. Here is a group of objects separated into 4 equal parts. The number of objects in the group is 4 times the number in each part. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 is the fourth multiple of 2, so we say 2 is a fourth of 8. And one of the 4 equal parts is 1/4. There is a verb which means to make 4 equal parts, quarter. The noun is also quarter. So one of 4 equal parts can also be called 1/4. Lesson review. In this lesson you have learned the understanding of a fraction as a part of an object, a part of a group of objects, a part of a measure. That the name 1/2 comes from the verb to halve. 1/4 comes from the verb to quarter. 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, etc. come from separating a group of objects and the multiple of the number in one part that gives the number in the group. Coming up in the next lesson.